The Great Wazu in Parsippany is a family-owned, operated deli that's been open for 30 years. Here, we make Italian-style sandwiches as well as salads and paninis. Today, my coworker Joey will be showing you how to make one of our best-selling sandwiches, the roast beef insanity. You will need the following ingredients to make the perfect roast beef insanity: a sub roll of your choice, salt, pepper, leaf lettuce, white onions, pickles, sweet peppers, and chipotle mayo.
Now for the roast beef insanity. First, we're going to start with the bread. Today we're going to go with a rosemary parmesan sub roll. Then, we're going to use 2 slices of American cheese. Then, we'll use around 1/3 of a pound of lean cut boar's head roast beef. Next, we put salt and pepper and make sure to directly add it to the meat. Followed by a pinch full of onion, a few slices of pickle, then a slathering of chipotle mayo. Then we stick some of the sweet peppers onto the mayonnaise. Finally, 1 slice of leaf lettuce.
So that's how you make one of our more popular Chef's Choice sandwiches, the roast beef insanity. We hope you'll come by to try it out. It's insanely delicious.